Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Ahmed at Altcoin Era. Make sure to like, subscribe and join our private members. It's in the link in the description below. The bears are out. The bears are out with a vengeance. The new AI chatbot Deepseek has just given an excuse for the bears to start shorting, and they're out with a vengeance. BTC, regardless of all of this market turbulence, is still at 100k, yet the bears think we have hit the peak and we're heading back down. Is this the peak? Have we hit the cycle peak? And are we going to see lower prices? The good news is that BTC is above the 21 SMA. We've been above the Hichimochi cloud for the past 109 days. The trend is your friend, and previously we formed a golden cross. We're still making higher highs after higher highs. Markets in general are moving sideways, and they're anticipating the next FOMC meeting, which is happening tomorrow. There's a market consensus that 99.5% that the Fed is going to hold interest rates. Will Jeremy Powell bow down to the King Donald Trump?
The interest rates will come down.
You said that you would demand that the interest rates come down.
Well, I would put in a strong statement.
Do you expect the Fed to listen to you?
Yeah.
This is a tweet from True Inflation. I've been following him for the past 3 years. He's been extremely accurate. Inflation is falling. Our inflation index is pointing to 2.62%, 40 basis points less than 2 weeks ago. True Inflation is predicting that we're heading lower. We're going to head to 2.62%. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be fantastic news for altcoins. Bitcoin on the monthly returns is up a whopping 9.21%. However, Ethereum is struggling this quarter. It's down for the quarter 5.62%. On average, we normally go up 81.82%, a median of 5.72%. Here are the top gainers in the past week. Vine is up a whopping 200%. I covered that in a previous episode. ACH is up a whopping 42%. Jupiter, surprisingly, is up a massive 33%, followed by OMI, which is up 23%. The best performing sectors is L1s such as APT, AVAX, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and SU, followed closely by L2s. Then we have AI, and finally we have gaming. The altcoin market in general is having a slight bounce. The leader of the pack is XRP. It looks like participants are moving into XRP as a flight to safety in altcoins. Trump and XRP surged 12% to lead crypto rebound ahead of FOMC meeting. Bitcoin added 4% in the last 24 hours to trade around $103,000 in European opening hours, alleviating some Monday losses. XRP looks prime and ready to hit my final target of $6.48. We hit this area as resistance. We're forming a bull flag on the higher time frame. Once we break this area, I can see XRP head to my ultimate target, which I predicted 2 years ago that we will hit $6. The fear and greed index for Bitcoin is currently at 72. We normally see these elevated prices for months at a time. So this is no surprise in crypto. We can see this oscillate between 72 to 90. Max pain could actually be at $110,000. There's 161 million shorts sitting at 110k. And to the downside, max pain could hit $96,000. 152 million longs are sitting at $96,000. The best performers in the top 100 is Jupiter, standing at number 1, number 2, Move, 3, XDC, and finally Hype. And let's not forget XRP, which is a massive large cap. Let's have a look at BTC and the price targets. I said in a previous episode that BTC needs to hold on the weekly and confirm above the 100k mark. It's actually done this in 2 occasions. We have confirmed that this is now support. We wicked all the way down here, hit my trend line just over, and now we're sitting comfortably above 100k. With all the drama happening with Deepseek, with Nvidia, Bitcoin is still moving sideways. This is positive news. I did say Bitcoin has a correlation between gold. Whenever gold goes up, Bitcoin follows suit. And as you can see here, gold is just about to make new all-time highs. This is what's going to happen next. Gold is going to break out and form all-time new highs. Bitcoin is going to follow suit and head to 110,000 US dollars, just over here. And I hate to say it, dominance is going to continue to go up higher. Dominance is, as of now, almost at 60%. I hate to say it, this just looks like a continuation of higher prices. I don't think we're heading to 70 or 75, but we might form a double top. The only reason Bitcoin dominance is going up higher is because it's linked to interest rates. As long as interest rates stay at these elevated levels at 4.25%, altcoins will continue to bleed. My long-term targets for Bitcoin is at, you know what? I won't tell you now. Let's ask Deepseek what it thinks. Deepseek's price prediction is between 180,000 and 220,000 US dollars by October, November 2025. Ethereum price targets currently it's just ranging at the moment. It's just ranging and it's underneath resistance. The good news is this, that we formed a bottom, a slight bottom, where we are hitting this area right over here. Ideally, what I want to see is something like this, to move around here and to break out. Once we break out, we can reclaim this area of $3,526. We're slightly underneath the Hichimochi cloud, which shows there are moderate sell pressure around this area. Solana is currently at $231, and for the past 2 years, it's been above its Hichimochi. And for a very long time, it's been above the 21 moving average. And as you can see, we've gone up a whopping 13x. We formed a bull flag just over here, and as of now, we're consolidating just underneath the previous all-time high. We wicked all the way to 300 US dollars and formed a brand new high. Next entry point is at $216. If that doesn't hold, then the next possible entry point will be around $200. Solana is heading to my long-term target of 1,000 US dollars. If Bitcoin actually gets to 200K, Solana could easily get to 1,000 US dollars. ADA is still consolidating around here. It's currently at 93 cents. We broke down this bullish pennant. It's not a good sign. We need to reclaim this area and break out into my target of $1.50. However, if it doesn't and we do continue to go down, the next buy the dip opportunity is at 74 cents and then finally at 63 cents. AVAX could not continue its bullish momentum, and as of now, from the previous altcoin rally till now, we've gone down a whopping 42%, and this is a large cap, ladies and gentlemen. The market is drying up. There's less and less liquidity. Participants are moving into stable coins and are moving risk off. Bitcoin dominance is increasing. The price of Bitcoin is also increasing. However, altcoins continue to make higher lows. I'll show you an example. This is just a demonstration. I'm going to go through just particular coins. I'm not picking on any particular coins. For example, we have Litecoin. And as you can see, Bitcoin is the green chart and Litecoin is the purple chart. Bitcoin has gone up a whopping 5x from here, whereas Litecoin has gone up a mere 200%. Let's pick on some newer coins. Litecoin's been around for a very, very long time. This is AVAX. AVAX in the same period has gone up 300%. Optimism is a newer coin. In the same period, it's only gone up 70%. Some participants have taken on more risk, however, underperformed Bitcoin. You have to be specific in the coins you pick. Not all coins are going to go up, or not all coins are going to beat Bitcoin. So please join our private members. It's in the link in the description below. This is Tezos right over here. And it's actually decoupled from Bitcoin. It's actually heading downwards. It's losing more and more value. It's actually gone down 80% compared to Bitcoin. It's gone down 80%. And finally, we have Mint Layer. Mint Layer came out before then. However, it's gone down compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been making new higher highs, whereas Mint Layer has been making new higher lows. The reason why I'm speaking like this is because of liquidity. QE is not here. We're in a time of contraction. The Fed is actually doing quantitative tightening. These projects are not bad projects. What I am specifying is once we have interest rate cuts and we have QE, more and more participants will be risk on. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we will have our Bitcoin season. It's about the fundamentals, not just the TA. You want to see a close correlation to Bitcoin. And funny enough, this coin is none other than Doge. Whenever Bitcoin goes down, so does Doge. Whenever Bitcoin goes up, so does Doge. And it goes up even further. As you can see here, if you want to improve your TA, this is what you want to see. You want to see close correlations. It doesn't matter what the coin is. As long as you have a close correlation to Bitcoin, this is what you want to find. You want your assets to outperform Bitcoin. Regardless, no matter what you do, you want it to outperform the best asset in the planet. And finally, just to conclude, ladies and gentlemen, AI has the biggest mindshare. It's bigger than meme coins, DeFi, GameFi, RWAs, Layer 2, SocialFi, etc., etc. This new sector and this new meta, hands down, is categorically going to be the greatest trade in crypto. That's it for now, gents. I hope you have a lovely day. I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and join our private members. Peace.